Good day sir, good day everyone. I'm going to present my final project in QM. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're going to upload a dataset. So here's our dataset. Next is you're going to type df shape to know how many columns and rows the dataset has. So we have 1512 and 22. Then next is you will type df drop. So the purpose of df drop is to remove unnecessary variables in our dataset. So as you can see, we're removing phone name, brand, OS, battery type, video, and etc. And next, we're gonna type describe to see the summarization of our dataset. So here it is. Next is to declare our x and y variables. So our independent variable x, which is inches, battery, and weight. So and our dependent variable y is the price US dollar. So price USD. So to show, and also to show the scatter plot of our data set as well. So this is our scatter plot of our data set. This is the relationship between USD and inches. So as you can see, the regression line is going up. So the relationship between inches and price are positive, also is positive. So the scatter plot shows that the higher the inches of the product, the higher the price is. Next is the relationship between price USD and battery. So as you can see, the regression line is just constant, so there's nothing changes in our price even if the battery is increasing. So this is the relationship between price and weight. So as you can see, the regression line is going up. So it means that the weight and price are positive. So the scatter plot shows that the higher the weight of the product, so the higher the price is.